I'm about to head into Aldi and do all the grocery shopping for the week. I'm using a cookbook that I just got. It's a vintage cookbook and it's called Quick Thrifty Cooking. And it's got like 450 recipes for people that have like no time but want to save money. So I'm going to be picking out a few of the 30-minute meals there and trying those. I have plenty of the ingredients on hand apparently. I just have to pick up a few things. So I want to see how budget friendly we can really make this week. And hopefully we don't need to spend too much money. So let's get in there and see how it goes. Here is my list. Not a ton of things to get, some odds and ends and staples, but mainly some meats and things like that. So let's get started. So it looks like there's one turkey left at 69 cents a pound. I was not going to purchase one, but this is a 14-pound turkey, so that would be a really great price. So I might pick this last one up. All right, since it's gonna be less than $10, I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. I'll freeze it and use it down the line in a few months.
Hi, Mama.
Next, I'm looking at the eggs. They don't have very many left, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab them now. They're $2.29 each. Well, each dozen, so I'm gonna get 2 dozen. All right, go. They don't have the milk that we normally get right now, and that's okay. We'll just go ahead and get this organic whole milk for $3.79. Since the box is empty, we can actually go ahead and grab the box and use it for groceries. Next, we'll get some orange juice for $3.29. By the way, I can't believe how expensive eggs are again. They're $2.29 a dozen. It's just wild. So expensive. Not sure what's going on. Here we go. My daughter wants to try these, different yogurts here with different flavors. We're going to try the black cherry. It's 59 cents for this one. And then I'll get a large container, 32 ounces of this plain non-fat Greek yogurt for $3.49. I don't mind if it's whole milk or non-fat, but it looks like they only have like strawberry. They do have organic for $5.79 too, so that's not a bad deal. But I'm just gonna get this one. I use this instead of sour cream a lot, and I can use this actually in doughs to make bagels and things like that, so I love having this on hand for all kinds of things. I do need a little bit of butter. I should have bought it last week and it was $2.99, so unfortunately I did not. I was not able to come back and get it when it was on sale, so I'm just gonna get one for $3.69 today. I need a couple of pounds of chicken, so I'm trying to find a good price here. So this boneless skinless chicken breast with rib meat is $3.49 a pound, but if I go down here to the boneless skinless chicken breast in the family pack, it's much cheaper at $2.49 a pound. So I'm gonna see if I can find a really small one and pick one of those up. Okay, this one looks great because it is $5.78 total. It's 2.32 pounds. I just need 2 pounds, so I need to get one just like this. So the price tags here say something different. These thighs are $1.19 a pound, but then on the package it says something different. So I'm not sure if these are on sale, because that's a pretty good deal, $1.19 a pound for thighs. I think I'll go ahead and pick up a small package of the thighs, and when I get up front, see if it's on sale for $1.19, and also pick up a small container of the chicken breast too. I was thinking about getting some ground beef. I don't see any good prices, so I'm gonna get some ground turkey today. They do have this for $4.29 for 19 ounces, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and get this one, $6.99 for 36 ounces of ground turkey. This is $85.15. So that makes it about $3.10 a pound. So I was looking in the fish section, the fresh fish, and I didn't see any whitefish that I wanted. They do have some flounder fillets. It's $5.29 for a pound, so I might try that because that's a great price. And they do have Alaskan cod too. It's $11.89 for 2 pounds here, so that's also a good price. So I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go with yet. So I've never had flounder before. We're gonna give it a try. I found a really easy broiler fish recipe, so that's what we're gonna do with this today. Next, I need some garlic powder. I'll get this one for 99 cents. I always grab one from the back. I wasn't planning on picking up flour, but I'm almost out. I'm gonna get one of these bags for $2.35. I'm gonna make some no-knead bread. I have a couple of techniques that I wanna try out. I've heard some really great things from somebody about this cheese, so I might have to try it, $2.49. So maybe I'll have to try one today. It's a pretty good price. In just a second. Next, I need 1 can of tomato sauce for 49 cents. Actually, I'm gonna get 2 for good measure. So I was planning on getting a small container of tomato juice, but this is all they have here. It's $2.25, which is not a bad deal, but I don't need 46 ounces. I just need a tiny bit. So I think I'm just gonna use my tomato sauce and just water it down, and that'll be good enough just to make a substitution that saves me some money. and reduces some waste. Let me just see. Tomato juice from concentrate, which is just water and concentrated tomato juice and salt. Yeah, so that's pretty basic. So yeah, I can just figure it out, make a substitution. I see they still have this sparkling grape juice. My kids really loved it. So we're gonna try the red grape juice. It's $2.24. Anytime I bring somebody with me, we spend extra money on stuff like this. I don't know if that happens for anyone else. Next, I need some barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna get this one here for $1.55. We like the honey barbecue sauce. So I need some white vinegar, and I see they have these small containers for $1.35. That's 32 ounces. But I do use it for cleaning and things like that. So I think I'm gonna get this large jug for $3.39. It's the same percent acidity, 5% acidity, excuse me, for 128 ounces. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this giant one today for $3.39. Next, we'll get a little bit more ranch. We like the buttermilk. It's $1.95. Last week, I picked up one of these Italian dressings. It's very similar to the Olive Garden one. It's only $2.25 though for the 16 ounce. And we tried it on some pasta salad. It's really delicious. So if you're thinking, is it gonna be the same? It's almost identical ingredients, but it has very similar flavor too, and basically half the price. Next, I'm gonna get this 5-pound container of yellow potatoes for $4.47. Next, I'm gonna get some mushrooms for $2.27. I like these baby bellas. Red onions are on the ALDI savers today for 45 cents a pound, so I'm gonna go ahead and get one of these for later. This is an example of me buying something that's not on my list, but it's not a, huge price increase here for the budget, so save that for later. White onions are also 29 cents a pound, so let's get a few of those. And of course, we have to pick out a snack, so $3.87 for this. All right, let's go put it in the cart.
How much dollars did we?
And one more snack for me, $2.25 for my favorite wavy chips. Somebody said I buy a lot of junk food. I'm not sure if I do. What do you think? Do I buy a lot of junk food? Right now I'm buying a lot of junk food. Here we go. Okay, here is our cart. Let's go ring it up. I know I'm over budget. Let's go see what the total is. So I found this little gem, so I'm gonna be getting this separately. It matches my sweater. Definitely went way overboard today. I bought a lot of things that were not on my list, and those thighs actually turned out to be leg meat. They were not $1.19 a pound. My total was $92.01. That is way over what I thought, but did get a lot of staples and things were a bit more pricey. Also did get a turkey that wasn't on my list, and that's a 14-pound turkey. So pretty good haul for the price.